sleep. Relieving stress, anxiety, and depression. Heals the mind, body, and soul. Deep sleep. Relieving stress, anxiety, and depression. Heals the mind, body, and soul. Deep sleep, sleep.